All right, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. So I had a whole install video and functionality video for this reverse lever that I found on Amazon. Unfortunately, I deleted the video and could not get it uploaded, so I pretty much have to just give you a quick walk around, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. I found it on Amazon for about 10 bucks, so that beats about $100 jockey shifter. But if you're interested in this, it's on Amazon. I'm gonna try to find a link for y'all. So yeah, let's get into it. So just a couple of things to note. This right here, you have a torque screw. It is a T30 torque screw. You need to pull that out. And once you pull out this torque screw, you can then wiggle off this rubber boot. It is extremely hard to get this off, but it will come off. Once you get this rubber boot off, you simply have to figure out how to get your new reverse lever on. That is the challenging part. So as you can see, mine has a bunch of scratches on it. I mean, yeah, it was a challenge. So really, it's set together with this set screw. It's an Allen wrench screw, and really you're gonna take that screw out. The opening, let's see if I can get some focus. The opening here, you have to pretty much widen it. So you have to sit something in the middle of that little clamp. So maybe like a chisel or something like that. Basically pry it open. And then once you've pried it open enough, then once you're gonna have your boot off and your piping is gonna be exposed, you're just gonna basically slide it on. And you may need to slide it on with a hammer. So yeah, it was definitely challenging because the size, there's a size difference. It is smaller up front where this boot is. So your reverse bar is actually a little bit thinner here up top, and it's a lot thicker here in the back. And there's a hump, so you have to get this over the hump and seat it down. So it's definitely challenging. Like I said, I kind of wrapped it with a cloth and then hit it with a hammer, and I was able to basically beat it on. Once I beat it on, then I put the screw in, and yeah, it was definitely tough, but it works really, really well. So let me show y'all how this works. So beforehand, I would always reach down just because it's hard to get my foot to angle and get that reverse lever. So now with this a whole lot closer to me, I can literally put my foot, and it's just that simple. When I'm ready to put it down back into forward, I use the bottom. I don't use the top, but I use the bottom. Boom. When I'm ready to go back into reverse, is that simple. Works really well. 10 bucks. It is a bit troublesome. It's kind of like fabricating, it's a bit troublesome, but it works really well, and I'm really liking it, and it looks really good with the bike. 10 bucks, y'all. Not bad, not bad at all. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. Excuse my shoes. I mean, they're Dockers. No, I'm sorry. These are Sperry's. These are my Sperry's. Yeah, these are my grandpa's shoes. These are my Sperry's. I love these. So don't judge me. Anyway, love it, love it, love it. Definitely worth 10 bucks, and definitely worth the hassle. So I'm gonna try to find the link for it and put it in the description or somewhere. But yeah, that's it, y'all.